George's team is only left to do mass meaningless MQLs because they've got to keep feeding the wheel so these people can make calls that are going to go nowhere. As I said earlier, like my team, we should just ignore that shit because we knew that would go nowhere. Like we just knew if we just went out, validated the market first, validated the channels to make sure we'd have the right conversation. Luckily, back then it was just the phone. And then we just validated like who they're with, what they like, what they don't, when it might come up for tender, when they might want to look like it as an audit, what would it need to take that back as a template. Back then it was manila folders called a deal rack or a deal folder to marketing and say, build this out 3, 6, 9 months. And then the offshoot of that, those conversations when you're not trying to sell the meeting, was we also got the product roadmap for the next 12 to 24 months. Because they'd be say, hey, look, that you're probably not where you need to be for us to build this and this with you. But if you were to build this, then we could be. And that is completely, that whole 2 layer of those skills is washed out of the market, which further enhances your point of why channels need to be validated to get into more of those conversations. But that just seems to be like this untalked about, remembering, like it's people forget that was what we did. And if we simply just went back to market validations to open opportunities from first party intent signal, we probably wouldn't have this problem. But there's also vested interest, as we know, to push tools that curb those behaviors that continue that beast running.